Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Radio the way it should be. But the weather, the temperature, it shouldn't be the way it is. April 29, 2024. It's all over the news. Sabi ni ng ating UN chief, what's his first name? Guterres lang yung alam ko yung last name niya It's no longer global warming, it's now global boiling. And it definitely is. We're reaching boiling point temperatures now. Do you imagine that? The temperature yesterday, the highest in the country, Iba Zambales, 53 degrees Celsius. Sus Mariosep. Diba, pagka ang temperature natin umaabot ng 40s, we keep complaining that it's really, really hot. Really, really. Back then nga, hindi nga 40s Ang highest temperatures natin noon, nasa 37, 38 degrees. Diba, 36. Now, puma 40s na tayo. Tapos eto, may nakakalusot pa na 50s. 53 degrees Celsius. Ano yun? Pag tumapat ka dun sa nun, parang ginigisa ka na ng buhay, no? Sus Mario, 53 degrees Celsius in Iba, Zambales. You guys stay safe, huh? Stay away from the heat of the sun, magpalamig. Alam niyo the best na na silungan, yung lilim ng puno. Kasi if you're around lilim na kaysa yung halimbawa na may bubungan lang, sisilong ka lang doon, mainit pa rin yun Pero pag nasa lilim ka ng puno, the puno, lalo na kung malaki yung puno, tapos ma-forest yung area, it gives off oxygen It breathes oxygen It breathes air. Mararamdaman mo yung hininga ng puno. Di ba pag dumadaan yung bus sa forested area, biglang nag-iiba yung ihip ng hangin. Cool air, cool breeze. Yun. That's the best on how to beat that kind of heat index that we're having. Kaya lang kaso nga kung sa lugar nyo nga ganun nga. Kadalasan yung lugar na ganun hindi forested area. If you're gonna go contrary to what I said, kung pupunta ka man sa forested area nga para magpalilim, maraming hindi wala doon yung temperature na sinasabi ko. Hindi na sinasabi ng Pag-asa. Source for that is Pag-asa. 53 degrees Celsius in Iba yesterday. Okay? Kaya there are classes ulit na sinuspend, one of which is, I know dahil they're close to me, Nelly E. Brown Elementary School. They suspended their face-to-face classes with the students ng Monday and Tuesday. April 29 and April 30. Kinancel na nila kasi ang hirap daw dahil mataas na naman yata ini-expect na yung heat index. Grabe na naman sa init yung ini-expect. That's the heat index that's gonna happen for Monday and Tuesday, April 29 and April 30. You guys stay safe, huh? Magpalamig. Maghalo-halo. Maghalo-halo ni Ate Julie Quistadio sa halo-halo. Ayan, matatagpuan sa hindi, mas madali baka magkamali ako sa address. Puntahan nyo na lang yung Facebook niya, Julie Quistadio Tobias. Ayan. Search nyo lang Julie Tobias, lalabas na yan baka magkamali pa kayo sa Quistadio. Gawin nyo K-I-S-S, Kiss Tadio. Parang kinis nyo si Ate Julie, di ba? Ayan. So Julie Quistadio Tobias, halo-halo. Sa sobrang sarap, malilimutan mo pangalan mo. Yan, magpalamig. Sa Facebook kasi pwede kang umorder, may message mo siya, yun, gano'n. Bahala kayo usap. Kung pipick upin mo, i-deliver ba o usap kayo. It's as easy as that. All right. Okay. So, yan. One of the key. Halo-halo is the key. Kagabi I gave my son yung lalagyan ng ice cream, ang laman water na gagawing yelo. Sabi ko, anak, mag-ice cream ka muna. Sabi niya, Dad, water pa lang to na magiging yelo, magpo-freeze pa lang. Sabi ko kaya nga ice cream Ice, yelo, cream, creamy, lambot. Lelembot-lembot. So, yan talaga ang ice cream. Yung yelo na papunta pa lang sa pagiging, yung tubig na papunta pa lang sa pagiging yelo. Yan talaga ice cream. Alright, welcome back now. On with today's holidays and observances in the famous birthday segment. First, check your time. 11:20 a.m. Still a.m. Mid-morning, okay? And the time check brought to you, of course, by Royal Duty Free. They have this ongoing Magic Mondays promo. Tama-tama Monday ngayon. No? This is from March 18 to May 27. Hanggang May 27 pa. Every Monday, Mondays only, indulge in a delightful treat with 30% off. Ayan, tuwing Monday, naka 30% off ang mouth-watering Royal Roast Chicken Barbecue Jumbo. Exclusively at the Manila Avenue store. Store number 2. Okay? So it's limited. 1 roast chicken per customer only, so don't miss out on the magic. Visit Royal Duty Free Mondays and savor the flavor at Royal Duty Free. Call them up 252-3258 or visit their social media pages. They're on Facebook, Instagram. 30% off, sayang din to ha, on the Jumbo Chicken BBQ. All right? And today's holidays and observances and the famous birthday brought to you, of course, by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Branch and Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch. Okay? Let me give you the schedule. Nag-adjust na rin ang schedule para siguro makaano rin sa init. Ano? Init talaga eh. No? Ang Wawas Jr. Subic Bay Freeport Branch, located at Stall 18, One-Stop Shop Building. It's temporarily closed because they're hiring right now, restaffing. Wawas Junior Lincoln Branch opens at 2:30 p.m. up until 9:30 p.m. So stay put there, yung mga taga Wawas, yung mga taga Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch. You have Wawas Lincoln Branch there. And Cafe Lipina is open 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay? Taco Bataan, 2:30 p.m. up until 9:30 p.m. And I'm hungry. 2:30 p.m. until 9:30 p.m. Ayan, yung mga stores na yan, they have their Facebook pages din para makita nyo. Okay? I'm gonna have to repeat that. I'm hungry, 2:30 p.m. Taco Bataan, 2:30 p.m. ang opening hours ha. Cafe Lipina, 3 p.m. Yan. Wawas Lincoln Branch, 2:30 p.m. Wawas Junior, Subic Bay Freeport, close muna. Hiring, restaffing. Okay? But anyways, nonetheless, if you want your Wawas Junior delivered para sa mga taga Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch, 0927-950-8775. Okay? And visit their social media pages to check out their menu. All right? Find out what they offer. And on with today's holidays and observances. Today is April 29. Wow! Just a day to go. It's gonna be May. It's gonna be May. All that I do, not enough for you. It's gonna be May. Isang araw na lang, no? Bilis ng araw. Pero dito muna tayo sa holidays and observances for April 29. Today is International Dance Day. Global celebration of dance created by the Dance Committee of the International Theatre Institute, the main partner of the performing arts of UNESCO, United Nations, ano nga ba yung educational, scientific and cultural organization. There you go, UNESCO. Okay. Alright. Yan din yung sinasabi ng mga ibon eh. Pagka aalis sila sa pugad nila, di ba yung pugad, ano yun, nest? Sabi niya, UNESCO. Pare, bantayan mo UNESCO ha. In Japan, they have this Golden Week celebration. Ang tawag nila, it starts April 29 and hanggang May 5. Kaya Golden Week nga eh. You know what they call it in Japan? Showa Day. Jowa mo, showa mo. April 29 is also World Wish Day. Oh, wow. World Wish Day. What is it that you wish for? Ano nga bang wish mo? Sumagot ka. And also Zipper Day, one of the most important creations of mankind, ang zipper, right? Ano pa? Let me check. We Jump the World Day, Shrimp Scampi Day, something that's yummy for you. Viral Video Day. What is today's viral video? Ano nga ba? I think yung ano pa rin eh. Ang viral video pa rin yung global boiling. Cut from the news. Okay, so those are today's holidays and observances. And for all of you people celebrating your birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, famous people, celebrities, and the like celebrating the birthdays today. Starting up with rapper, singer, actor Elmo Magalona, the son of the rap legend Francis Magalona. Happy birthday to you, Elmo! Elmo! April 29, 1992. Xochitl Gomez is one of today's birthday celebrants as well, TV actress. You probably know her for being cast as Dawn in the Netflix reboot of The Babysitter's Club. She's #1 today in the most popular. Pinaka-popular. Turns 18 today. All right. Next up we have Willie Nelson. Country singer Willie Nelson. April 29, 1933. Turns 91 today. Me oh my. 91, baby. Uma Thurman. She wants to dance like Uma Thurman. April 29, 1970. Let's put in that song. Even though hindi si Uma Thurman yung kumanta. Tungkol sa kanya yung song eh. She was in the film Pulp Fiction. What else? She also played Medusa in Percy Jackson and the Olympians, The Lightning Thief. All right. Who else? Happy birthday also to... aside from Uma Thurman, Catherine Langford. Okay. She's in the Netflix original series 13 Reasons Why. If you guys familiar with the movie Knives Out, gandang movie nun, no? Turns 28 today, Catherine Langford. Jerry Seinfeld, April 29, 1954. Okay. Next up we have Michelle Pfeiffer. She's one of the actresses to portray the role of the Catwoman. She was also in Hairspray, among others. Dami pa, no? What Lies Beneath. April 29, 1958, Michelle Pfeiffer turned 66 today. All right. And Zoran Korash turns 38 today, April 29, 1986. You probably know him for portraying the role of Sam and Cat as Goomer. The series Sam and Cat. He has appeared in series Graceland, Justified, Shameless, also True Blood. And Days of Our Lives and Bones. Dami, ha? Okay, next up we have rapper Master Pay. You guys remember the song Make 'Em Say Ah? And he also released his Ice Cream Man album, which went platinum in 1997. Also the song Rock It. Daniel Day-Lewis, April 29, 1957, turned 67 today. He played the role of Abraham Lincoln. He was also in There Will Be Blood and Gangs of New York and The Last of the Mohicans. All right. Lastly, singer Foxes. You guys are familiar with the song Clarity with Zed, DJ Zed? Oh, that's her. April 29, 1989, turns 35 today. All right. So there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you April 29 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So your turn, you guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today, okay? Text me up 0910-6909-501. Okay, I'm gonna have to repeat that 0910-6909-501. Text me, call me, however. All right, and time for me to press play on the a couple of folks celebrating the birthdays today. Here's Willie Nelson, his version of Unchained Melody, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.